Alright, I think it'll be a good idea to make some updates. It's been a while. Okay, so for my last sessions, we make some updates from that. And right here, you can notice some of the changes. I add this little text to the add button. When you click on that one, you can add the new items. Select the image, name, descriptions, and locations. The location section, I don't know, maybe I might wanna get rid of it later on, but for now I'm gonna leave it there for now. Okay, next click on the first items. That's where I make the most change. Here you can see that we have this edit button here, which allow us to make some change to any existing items in the database. When I click on this one, nothing gonna happen. There we go. Okay, here I can change the names, which is here, and the availability. Let me try to change this one. So it was available before, now it's a borrow. When I click on save, it should reflect on right here, and you can see that there's a change to it. Let me get back and select another items here too. It's available right now. Click on that one, and then it's in borrow mode when I save, and there we go. There's one more thing I need to show you here. When I click on the edit, if I make the change and I didn't click on the save and I just get back, it wouldn't change at all. So when I go back to it, you can see that it still needs borrow. But if I make edits and borrow, kind of save in there, all of these things happen in the background. So there's some issues in this thing, and I need to fix. Let me show you one of them. You see this one? When I come in here to change this one, you can see I can't make any change. I don't know why. Something is completely wrong. Something went wrong. It's not working. I don't know why. Here too, I can't make any change. I don't know. I believe in the add items still. See, it's not working. I don't know why it isn't working. It's kind of weird. And here you can see we have a test field, but it should get a test. But when I try to change the test, it's not working. It's just too bad. See that? It's not working. Maybe that's something I will have to try to figure it out and fix it up. Other than that, this button too should work. When I click on that one, it should allow me to pick a new image from my gallery. But now it's not doing it. So those are the issues that I need to work on, and hopefully I will get it fixed before the end of the week if I'm not preoccupied by other things, which I always do. So yeah, other than that, I think that's all all of the change I made from the last change. Yeah, can edit. For now, I can only change the availability. That's the only thing I can change on that one. So when I change that one, I click on save, I go to the database, and then it does its magic. I can go through some of the code in here. See the availability, right? So I create a new variable called in is the edit mode. If it's the edit mode, just is a boolean, is it true or false? So when I go to when I click on this one, I go to edit mode. It set the variable to true. Let me show you right here. Okay, that's the view test, the pencil. All right, that's right there. So the action should say something. I can't seem to find it. Let me see. Okay, the alignments. That's the frame location. Okay, here's the button. Okay. Okay, no, that's not that one. It's for the image. Okay, it should be the bar, right? Okay, navigation bar. Here we go. Toolbar. Okay, toolbar. And when you come in here, That's the button from this guy. So it's either edit mode or in the save mode. So when I click on it, when it's in save mode, so let me back up a little bit and then go back in it. When I come in, it's in edit mode. That's why edit, that's the text that is showing there. Just a little pencil that's right there. And so when we click on a button, that's a button, we say actions, that's what we're gonna do. When I click on it, it's gonna print that little text, and let me go ahead, and they're gonna set the edit mode to true. When I click on this one, you can see that the edit is tab, and yeah, it went to edit mode. Essentially what happens is that when I click on it, it just set the variable to true, and whatever we have an if statement that say if is in set mode, then everything inside that will be executed. So we have this code executed because the edit mode is true, so this one will be executed too. Okay, yeah, can change. So for now I'm gonna leave it there and try to figure out what's wrong with the test field that's not working, because honestly I don't know, it should be working, but it's not. That's something I'm gonna work on it. As a quick note, I would say it's a little bit challenging, but at the end it's the journey that counts. It's not the final result that matters the most. It's the learning curve, and that's what I love about this whole building something that you feel useful to yourself. I'm building this app because I want to share. I want to be able to run some of my stuff that I'm not using to friends and relative who might need them. So yeah, I'm gonna stop it here, and when I make the fix the bug that's not, I will come back and then update it. Maybe I will add some others to users and all of those stuff. It's a lot to do, but yeah, I'm taking my time. Just go slow. There's no rush to this, but I think at the end of the month, before the end of this month, I will be able to put on the app store. But yeah, all right, I'm going to stop it right here, and we'll make updates as it goes along.